Hi, my name is Joe Sinopoli, and I am here today to show you the machine monitoring dashboard application in the Tulip Industrial Operations Platform's application library. Here we have the application, as you can see, and it shows an overall dashboard view of machines in a facility, their current status as denoted by the specific color blocks overlaid in their position on the shop floor, and then a series of metrics from their overall equipment effectiveness to their quality output for a given time period. An individual can select what time period they would like to see the metrics for, and they will update accordingly. We can click on a specific machine by selecting it on the map. When a machine is selected, we are brought into this lower level view of the uptime of a machine for the given time period, including the specific OEE availability and other performance metrics for a given time period. We're able to adjust to different machines easily from here as well, and this can be configurable with all machines in your facility via the Tulip machine monitoring functionality, which you can read more about in the Tulip knowledge base. Overall, this is an extensible start to a dashboard that any team can look to use to gain greater insights into the performance and other performance metric rates for machines on their shop floor. To have this added to your Tulip instance, please reach out to our live chat support team in your instance. And if you'd like to learn more about Tulip, please reach out via our website, tulip.co. Thank you very much.